बोल सकते हैं हमें क्या क्या चाहिए, तो मैं बोलना शुरू कर देता हूँ, बिकॉज मेरे फील्ड की बात है एंड ऑब्वियसली मुझे इतना ज्ञान नहीं है सारे एस्पेक्ट्स, वेदर सिविल और इवन इन टर्म्स ऑफ द ट्रैफिक, द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, जो भी चीज़ें, मुझे इतना ज्ञान नहीं है, लेकिन मैं अपने बिजनेस की बात कर सकता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इसमें शायद थोड़ी समझदारी होगी कि you know when we think of Bangalore or some other cities in the south, so there is this the whole international IT structure, not just Indian, is in a certain sense headed by cities there, and they provided the infrastructure. I'm sure all those people around the country are now heading towards there and working in IT sector. There's an extension of IT sector. I understand all the incentives given to visual effects and to Indian film industry. But there is a sector which I feel in the next few years, आने वाले सालों के अंदर, because of the whole idea of entertainment changing, जो बहुत तेज चेंज हो रहा है और मुझे लगता है हमारे देश में सबसे ज़्यादा होगा, whether it is online, whether it's on telephony, whether it's in cinema. तो मेरा सवाल ये है कि एक visual effects जो हैं, वो जो हैं बहुत बड़ी बात बन जाएगी और वो एक natural extension है IT सेक्टर का और एक natural marriage है, क्योंकि पूरी दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री जो है मुंबई में स्थित है, दुनिया की, ये भी नहीं कि हमारी कंट्री की, सिर्फ सारी दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री जिसमें विजुअल इफेक्ट्स हैं. हमारी टेलीविजन इंडस्ट्री बहुत सारा यहाँ से यूजेज लेती है. मोस्ट ऑफ द टैलेंट, इफ़ आई मे से सो, which is working in media, stems from or stays in Mumbai or has headquarters. So why haven't we applied our minds to take this natural progression from the IT industry, which has developed so much in the country, to shove it and give incentives for visual effects and special effects and even animation. These are three different categories, people mix them together, but animation, visual effects and special effects, to become something that the world comes to us. They don't go to Domino's, they don't go to Industrial Light and Magic, like Singapore has done it, and हमारा natural एक marriage लगता है यहाँ पे हो सकता है. So why wouldn't that is something that is the government looking at? Are you looking at? And of course, मैं आपको उसका blueprint बनाकर भेजूँगा ज़रूर.
ज़रूर आपका blueprint, will be very happy to have that blueprint. But having said that, you see, now all this has become part of Industrial Revolution 4.0. The fourth Industrial Revolution is all about the things which you have said. And in fact, in all our policies, as you rightly said, our policies were quite watertight, and in fact, in our IT sector, we allowed concessions for IT, but not about all these industries which are offshoot of IT industries. Now we have changed the policy, and in our entire IT policy as well as industrial policy, we have made this allowed. So the spaces which earlier you were able to use only for IT, now you will also be able to use for all these industries, whether it's visual effect, whether it is animation, everything. And again, in the definition of our industry, this fourth industrial revolution, which has a different potential of technologically, innovative industries, were lacking. So we have also included that. So now maybe in our MIDCs or our industrial estates or in our SEZ, if you want to create such facilities, you have all the incentives which other industries would also get. So I think we have already started that. But for us also, it's a very new area. So we'll be very happy if you could give that policy to us. We'll be very happy to adopt the policy.